how to reset all settings on iPhone. If you want to reset all of the settings that you have on iPhone, which will not factory reset your phone, but will only reset the settings that you might have changed for apps and for other functions. To do that, open the settings application, and this is the interface that you will see. Scroll and look for the option General and then tap on it. From General, you can simply scroll down all the way down to the bottom until you go to the option Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on it. From Transfer or Reset iPhone, you can tap the option called Reset. From Reset, you can choose to delete individual settings if you want, like your network settings, eSIMs, your keyboard dictionary, handwriting, home screen, or location and privacy. But you can choose to reset all settings by tapping the Reset All Settings from the top, enter your passcode, and all of your settings will be resetted. This way you can reset all settings on iPhone. Hope the video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.